Yo, everybody, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing a very good and great week. Yeah. So thank you very much for joining. Welcome, everybody. Today we are going to do a live analysis, right? So this is all about weekly analysis. And basically, I'm going to focus on GBP USD, Euro USD, and GBP JPY. But as time goes on, if there is any other specific pair that you want me to analyze for you, you just send it in the live chat section. I'll be able to see it, right? So yeah, thank you very much, guys. So I was kind of very busy doing this week, not even this week, this January, right? I had to figure out some stuff. So yeah, but there we go, live and direct right now. So we're about to start with the weekly analysis, and hopefully tomorrow we'll start our live forex trading, right? So tomorrow we'll start it, but we'll start it with premium students, and that's going to be on Zoom call. After I finish with the premium students, then I'll come here on YouTube, do live stream as well, so that we can understand exactly how to trade and how to get some sort of profit in the forex market, right? So yeah, guys, thank you very much for all of you that is tuning in to this live stream now. So we're about to get things started right now. So let me just send the links and everything to my free Telegram channel and to my students and things like that. Before we continue, it is very important for us to join this live stream, man. Yeah, I'll send it to them. So right now, they will join us in few minutes. You know what I mean? All right. So yeah, it's there now. So all right, guys. So yeah, let's just get things started. Analyze, boss. Yeah, man. Somebody say long time, bro. Yeah, for sure, man. For sure, long time. There is no. I haven't been coming live on YouTube and things like that, right? And there's no update. So yeah, hopefully we are getting back to work. Starting from today, and from here we move. You know what I mean? Analyze, boss. Yo, bro. Yo, come on, man. Let's get things started. Yeah. So as we wait for those of you guys that are still about to join us, we start the analysis off of this, what is it called it, this GBP USD, right? So this is GBP USD for our time frame right now. So actually GBP USD has been doing some sort of wonders throughout these days, right? So we're about to get things started, and we'll see exactly what is going to happen with this GBP USD, since it has been moving to the upside, long term move. So right now it's still trying to push to the upside, but we'll see what exactly is going to happen. If GBP USD is able to break out of this structure here, it's going to continue to push to the upside to around price 1.43436. So that's the price that I'm expecting in GBP USD to go up after it breaks some sort of structure that I'm seeing to the upside, right? But we might see some sort of a retracement to the downside anytime or any moment from now, from this trade being this pair being GBP USD, right? So basically, before we get started, guys, please do give this video a thumbs up and also share with your friends and family, so that because some people might find the information that I'm about to share with you guys very helpful, right? So if you want to unblock forex secret, this is the right time and right opportunity for you to kind of just take advantage of this call, right? So yeah, let's continue with the analysis of GBP USD. And like I've said earlier on, that if there's any other specific pair that you want me to analyze for you, just write it down in the live chat section. I will be able to see it, and I'll analyze that particular pair for you, so that you can understand exactly what is going to happen when the market opens, right? So yeah, now that Joe Biden just got inaugurated to into the office of the President of the United States, so we have to understand and study Joe Biden's administration as well, so that we can just move with the market, right? So remember, we are just traders, and I myself, I'm just trader. So we have to just understand what the market does and move with whatever the market makers are doing in the market, right? I'm not saying that we do win 100%. Nah, that's not gonna happen. You win some, you lose some, right? That's how the market is. The only thing is that let's just improve on our risk management and understand exactly how to perform and how to protect our capital, right? That's very, very important so far you are a trader. So yeah, guys, let me just not continue speaking and speaking, let's just start with the analysis and get to work, right? That's it, man. So yeah, this is GBP USD right now, and you guys know that I like to see my any pair that I want to analyze. I like to first of all see it on the daily time frame first. Then from the daily time frame, I go down to 4 hour, 1 hour, and also 30 minutes, 50 minutes, and 5 minutes time frame for my entry point, right? So right now, this is GBP USD daily time frame. I will start by putting my support and resistance, and like I do say earlier on that, start by putting support and resistance, and at maximum of 5 on this daily time frame. Maximum of 5 support and resistance on the daily time frame. That's what you are supposed to look out for whenever time you're trying to do analysis or whatever in the forex market, right? So yeah, this is it now, being GBP USD daily time frame, and let's just start with putting the support and resistance. So this is my horizontal line. Sorry. Okay. All right. Let me put it right here. This is my horizontal line. Oops. What's that, man? What's going on? All right. This is my horizontal line now. Come on, man. Okay. So this is it. And since this is the daily time frame, I will change the color to green. What's going on? Come on. You know what's wrong with this? Sorry guys, excuse me. Don't understand what exactly is going on with this. All right. Okay. So let me change the color now. That's it. So now, oh my God, what's the meaning of all of this? I don't know what's going on with my horizontal line, man. Oh my goodness, I don't know what's going on with this trading view today. You guys see that? Okay. Wow. If I click on it, it doesn't bring the horizontal line anymore. Maybe I should just duplicate this. There's nothing like, okay, clone it. Maybe I'll do it like that, because if I click on the horizontal line, it doesn't give me what I want, man. So yeah, let me put my resistance level excuse me, right there, clone it again, and I'll put another one right here, because that's another level on this daily time frame, and I'll clone it again, put another level here, right there, that's another level, and I'm still seeing another level. I say put 5 at maximum of your support and resistance. That's another level right over there, right? So now what else? It remain our trend line. Don't know if this will allow me to put this trend line. Man, all right, let me try to do something, guys, because I don't get what's going on in this. We do it that way. Trend line. All right. So yeah, boom. This is my trend line on this GBP USD. Okay, so that's the daily trend line right now. Let me change the color to green. There we go. So that's the trend line and things like that. Let me just put this at the top. So now let's go down to 4-hour time frame. So let's go down to 4-hour time frame so we can just continue with this analysis, right? So this is 4-hour time frame at the moment, and you guys know that this my support and resistance. I plot it on the daily time frame, right? And also apart from that, what are you seeing here? You are seeing that this my trend line moves with this particular trend structure or move of the GBP USD, right? So what you have to do on this 4-hour time frame now, remember for you to just amend your support and resistance if there is any, right? And of course, in this case, I'll just put a few more support and resistance on this daily 4-hour time frame. So this is another level right here, which is support, right? I change the color to pink, indicating that this is a 4-hour time frame support, right? And also there is another one right here, based on the fact that we cannot see this daily time frame support. So let me put another support over there so that it will serve as my 4-hour time frame support, right? So you see that? All right, now what GBP USD is doing, you're just trying to move in a range, right? But I'm seeing some sort of head and shoulders over here on this GBP USD, right? Right here, if you just do something like this, you now have another trend line being formed on that level. So I'll change this to 4-hour time frame color. All right, that's another trend line on this 4-hour time frame, right? Because you are seeing that okay, let me amend. Let me not amend it here. That is it's good. So you are seeing that this is like some sort of a double top formation before, but now we are having this trend line right on this level, and also I'm seeing that the market is making some sort of head and shoulders pattern right here. So right now, what am I going to expect this market to do is I will expect the market to come down to this level first, to come down here, then possible retest a little bit before it will eventually break out of this trend line to come down to this point. But if this GBP USD is not able to break out of this trend line, definitely don't even start to sell this market. So you see there is a level here, which is this, right? So after the market break out of this next structure, then it will retest before it will eventually break out of this trend line and continue to go to the downside, right? But if the market is not able to break out of this, definitely it's not going to go up to the upside. I mean, it's not going to go down to the downside, except it break out of this neck level, also retest on this trend line, go back up again, retest on this previous zone, which was support. Then it will, before it will now fall to the downside, and before you now even consider that okay, the market is ready to sell, except it break out of this trend line, right? Without it breaking out of this trend line, I'll not be interested in selling this market, based on the fact that anything can happen right on this level, right? And remember, GBP USD is a long-term buy. It is a long-term buy, not a long-term sell, right? So any sell that is going to happen on the GBP USD is just going to be a retracement for the bullish market, right? Just going to be a retracement for a bullish market. And remember, GBP USD can also come back down to retest this previous trend line, which is for the daily time frame, right? You can still come down and retest this trend line before it will eventually start to go up to the upside again. So yeah, that's why I say you have to just monitor the trade or monitor what exactly is happening on a chart so far you got into any trade, right? It is very important, guys. So I suggest, or I tell you that, monitor the trade as always. Monitor it. Even if it is a swing trade, check out what exactly is happening on the market so that you can understand exactly where and when to hold and where exactly the market is going to go next, right? So let's go down to 1-hour time frame. And of course, if there is any question, guys, just let me know. Ask me, hey Israel, I don't understand this, I don't understand that. I will try my best to kind of kind of explain it to you in such a way that you understand exactly what I mean by all of these things, right? It is very, very important, guys. And also, I say that if there's any other specific pair that you want me to analyze for you, just say it so I can analyze it for you and we move on, right? That's how it is, guys. That's how it is. So yeah, this is 1 hour time frame now, and you guys remember when I plot this my trend line on the 4 hour time frame, right? And of course, you are seeing it now on the daily time frame. How do you see it? I mean, on the 1 hour time frame, how do you see it? Very, very important and very good, right? Because the market usually reacts to all of these levels whenever time you are able to plot it accurately. So it is very, very important for you to be putting your support and resistance, trend line, and all these kind of basic stuffs, guys. So that it help a lot. It help a lot in the market. It helps a lot in the market. So yeah, so now you are seeing that GBP USD is forming some sort of head and shoulders pattern right on this 1 hour time frame as well, right? And of course, you are seeing that the market is trying to go up to the upside. But once the market break out of this structure, this one that you are seeing right here, these two double top, or you can call it a support level, it breaks out of it, it will come down, retest this trend line, and boom, come up again and retest this previous structure before it will start to fall to the downside. But we can never tell what exactly is going to happen. But you just have to monitor your trade, right? So, and things like that. And that's what I'm seeing on this GBP USD right now. So there is some sort of head and shoulders pattern forming on this 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. So there is a possibility of the market moving down to the downside for about how many pips is this? Let me check out how many pips is this. Okay, this is around 250 pips. That's what I'm saying. So GBP USD might sell for about 250 pips. Just observe and monitor your trade. But before you get in, I've told you what you are supposed to do. Wait for breakout, retest, and break out of this red line before you can now say, okay, the market is ready to go down to the downside for about 200 and something pips. So yeah, just observe exactly what is happening on this trade, right? So that's it for GBP USD, guys. So now we go down to Euro USD and finally GBP JPY, right? And also I will try to check your comments and see what appears you guys are trying to look out for to trade when the market opens, right? So yeah, just a quick reminder, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also if today is the first time right here, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends and family. It is very, very important, guys. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, man. It is free. It is 100% free. We don't charge anything, nothing. It is free. Just subscribe or share the video, like. That's how it is. All right, guys. So now if there's any question regarding GBP USD analysis, then let me know before we proceed to check out another pair. So we'll check on Euro USD right now if there is no question on the GBP USD, right? So let me go down to Euro USD. So yeah, this is Euro USD 1 hour time frame right now. So I'll clear this analysis and do a new analysis so that you can understand exactly what I'm expecting, right? It is very, very important, guys. So yeah, so this is Euro USD daily time frame at the moment. So okay, so yeah, this is Euro USD. Let me check out on something, guys. Okay, you guys are saying somebody say any price for first 10 comments. I don't get that. XAUUSD. All right, I'm trying to check XAUUSD, and also somebody saying US 30. I'll try to check US 30 as well. So somebody is saying GBP JPY and EUR NZD, right? So I'll try and check all of them. And Tino is saying, hey Israel, hey bro, how are you doing? Hope you good, man. Hope you good. Thank you very much for checking on us today. I appreciate your presence, bro. I appreciate your presence. So thank you very much, and hope you are ready for the week. And you know that's why we are trying to do our analysis and things like that today before the market opens, right? So it is very, very important for you to do analysis before the market opens, guys. So yeah, let's go down to Euro USD. Then we move on with everything, right? So let's go down to Euro USD. Now it is a time for me to go down to Euro USD, and this is Euro USD at the moment. So yeah, and of course we'll start by putting our support and resistance on this daily time frame. That's a rather major support. Excuse me. This is another resistance, but let me put this one first. That's another resistance and support, rather. Resistance here, resistance here, right? And another one here as well. So that's support and resistance on this daily time frame, which is Euro USD. The next thing, go down to 4-hour time frame. This is 4-hour time frame at the moment. So now, what are you guys seeing on this Euro USD? Can you guys tell me what we are seeing on this Euro USD? What are you guys seeing? Is there anything interesting? If there is, let me know. If there is, let me know, man. So it is what it is. Don't forget to like the video, guys. Share with your friends and family as well. So yeah, man. Let's go back down. So yeah, this is for our time frame right now on this Euro USD, and I have to put something like this. So here I'll put something like that, and after putting something like that, I'll also put my trend line this way, and of course it got broken, right? Trend line got broken. Now the market created another down trend line here, which is a down the here, which is a bearish trend line. This is a bearish trend line, and now you see that got broken, retest, boom, trying to push to the upside now. So this next move, let me calculate how many pips is this. Oh, 120 something. We still have about 180 pips move. So now you see what happened on this, right? Hope you guys are following what I'm doing. So now go down to 1-hour time frame. Yeah. This is cool, man. Oh my goodness. This is really, really interesting, guys. You see, this was a downtrending market trying to create this move, but it was just a retracement to the downside, right? You see that the market has been moving to the upside from here, pushing up, and this went up for around how many pips? For around 280 pips. Now the market pushed to the downside, right? You see, the market moved to the downside, and right now broke the trend line, which is this bearish trend line, broke out of it, retest again, created this tweezers bottom. Once you know exactly what we mean by all of this candlestick pattern, you'll know exactly how to trade in the forex market, right? Though last week I was not that kind of much active, but this week I promise I'll be very, very active, man. So yeah, this is it now, and you see that the market is now trying to go back up to the upside. So what I'm gonna do is I'll do something like this. I'll put something like this. Oh my goodness, this is a very good opportunity to get into this trade, man. I'll do things like this. Yep. So you see now the market, it's kind of trying to range, right? Oh my goodness, I don't understand if you guys are even getting what I'm trying to do here, because it is very, very important, guys. So now, what is going to happen on this? Oh my goodness, if you know what you are doing in the market, man, you just like the move, just do it, continue doing it. That's how it is. That's how it is, bro. That's how it is, man. So right now, what I'm going to be waiting for is, you can either wait for this market to break out, and of course I still have confidence that the market will come up to this level. It will come up to this point, man. To come up to this point, that it is, it's a must. It's a must to come up to that level. This was just some sort of retracement, and right now your stop loss is going to be down somewhere around this level, or you can put it for around 50 pips, so that since the market is about 1 to 3 risk reward ratio. So let me do something, guys. I might even post this analysis right now on my trading view account, because I like what is happening on this. Where is that? My okay, this is long position. You put it right here, then yep, this is where stop loss is gonna be, because once the market broke out, I'm trying to push to the downside. Once it broke out of this level as well, you see this, let me show you something. It's gonna continue to push to the downside, and we don't want to continue holding the losing trade, right? See that level? Once the market break out of this again, it should come down to this level before we now start to look out for another entry point to get in, right? So now let's leave it at 170 pips, take profit, right? So you see this. So this is what I'm expecting Euro USD to do when the market opens. So this is just pure technical analysis, man. This is just pure technical analysis, and of course, that's what I'm seeing on this sheet. You know what I mean? So let me just lock all of this. This is just gonna be one of the best analysis of the week, one of the best free analysis of the week anyway, not one of the best, you know what I mean? Yep. So right now, let me publish this. No, okay, let me just extend this first. Continue publishing. Oh, let me just let me edit that thing first before. Nah, man, come on, bro. What's that? All right, I have to put the long position again. And on some stuffs, right? 50 pips to get 170 pips. That's around 1.3, yeah, 1 to 3 point something risk reward ratio. So yeah, that's it. So now what am I gonna do right here is okay, that my structure is no more there, right? There's structure I plot right there. Yep. So now I'm expecting this Euro USD to buy, man, to the upside for about 170 pips. So now I'll publish this, continue publishing, and I'll say Euro USD buy right now. And of course, if you don't follow me on my trading view account, you can go there and follow me right now. And now say that this is Euro USD for our time frame analysis. And I will say I'm expecting the market to buy for about Oh, I'm expecting the market to buy, not top. Oh my goodness, what am I even tapping? To buy for about 170 pips, right? So it's gonna be 170 pips. Pips move. All right, then it's gonna be long position analysis. So this analysis now is gonna be trend analysis, then candlestick analysis, yeah, and multiple time frame. Those are the analysis that we just did now. Candlesticks, multiple time frame, and also the trend analysis. That's what we did right now on Euro USD. So I would say Euro USD and Euro USD buy, Euro USD setup. Nah, not sell. Me Euro USD setup. Long, all right. Euro USD prediction and Euro USD forecast. Then we can now say Euro USD. Yeah, put long analysis. All right, that's good. So now publish it. There we go, man. So that's what I'm seeing on this exactly. And yeah, that's it, man. That's it. So now okay, all right, let me see. All right, man. So yeah, that just it, published it now. So there we go. Now I'll just get out of this tab, back to my analysis, right? So now what am I doing? What am I supposed to do next? Okay, let me just check on your chart and things like that. Uptrend broken. Nah, uptrend is not yet broken. It's still bullish. And somebody is saying, yes, boss, that's a flag for me. Getting ready to go bullish. Yeah, man. I will do almost exactly as you analyze that. That is sign I am becoming better trader. Thank you for the knowledge, bro. And I'm still learning. Yeah, man. Looks like symmetrical triangle pattern. Do you enter exactly when market opens or you wait for spread to cool down? Yeah, for sure, man. I will exactly wait for the spread to cool down, and I don't even trade on Sundays, so I'll wait for the London session. I'll not even get into the market, I'll just wait for London session, and also I don't trade ASEAN session. That's another thing about me. I like to trade um what is it call it? London session and New York session, but I don't trade ASEAN session, Francophone, and all of these remaining sessions. I don't trade all of those things. So now that's it, bro. That's it. So now let's go back down and start analyzing GBP JPY. But that's my analysis on Euro USD anyway. So now we'll screenshot it, save it as well. I'll screenshot it, save it in case of for my what does it call it, before and after, right? For my before and after, boom, I saved it now. So let's go down to GBP JPY, guys. And also, before we even go down to GBP JPY, if there's any question regarding this Euro USD analysis, just let me know before I go down to GBP USD, guys. It is very, very important. Just let me know if there's any question, guys, before we continue. And also, if today's a first time right here, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and family. Maybe they'll find it very helpful as well, right? So yeah, guys, let's continue with today's analysis. All right, so now let's go down to GBP JPY. Nah, I don't like that. GBP JPY. I like FXCM, not under. All right, so you see GBP JPY, and last week, yeah, last upper week, we are able to take about 200 pips on this GBP JPY analysis, right? So now you see what exactly happened. The market, boom, hit our final take profit before all of this reversal pattern happened, right? So now GBP JPY is trying to come back down again for retracement, right? After our final take profit was triggered last upper week. So yeah, now now let's see if there's anything new on this GBP JPY, right? But I'm saying that GBP JPY will start to sell for its retracement as well. I'm not saying that it's going to be a long-term sell. Nah, I'm not saying that. All I'm saying is wait for GBP JPY to come down for that retracement before it will eventually go up to the upside. That's what I'm saying. So now let me go down to the daily time frame and see what exactly is happening. You see, I'm still having my analysis on this daily time frame, right? But apart from that, okay, all right. You know, there's a possibility of the GBP JPY come down for a retracement. This is for our time frame. Yep. Triangle broken. So yeah, I still have my support and resistance, everything on this GBP JPY, right? So let me just go down to what our time frame. This is 1 hour time frame at the moment. You see that all of these moves that happened right on this level. Now I will expect GJ to come back down for retracement, man, because I'm seeing all of these levels trying to push the market to the downside, right? So now come back down to this level, boom, retest before it will come down here. That's what I'm seeing on GJ, and this is why I say that the market will come up for retracement. You see that? This is what might happen on GJ when the market opens, right? And of course, I don't usually trade against the trend, so now I'll just wait for the market to do whatsoever it's planning to do, right? That's how it is. So once the market is able to achieve all of this move, then I will look out for my buy opportunity. You see what happened right here? I will look out for it. Look out for another buy again, because I like to move with the impulse move, right? You know, that's how it is. There's a impulsive move, there's a corrective move. So you know, that's what I'm thinking and seeing on GBP JPY. And if there's any other question, guys, before we start analyzing all of you guys pair, just let me know before I go down and start analyzing this pair that you guys requested, which is XAUUSD, US30, and also Euro NZD, right? But before that, let me let me see what you guys are saying. Met the same Euro USD call earlier. That's cool, man. That's cool. That's cool, bro. I mean, any price for first 10 people who commented first or liked? Nah, there's nothing, man. There's nothing. I'm just doing this for free for you, and you are still saying that. Is there any price? You know, it's all up to you. You can either leave the video or like it. You know, I don't care. I don't care. I'm not doing this because for the money, or YouTube is paying me money, right? I'm not doing this for that. I'm just trying to help you guys to achieve or whatever you're trying to achieve in the forex market, right? You know, I'm not saying you must watch it, you must like it. It's not a must. It's not a must. It's all up to you. That's what I mean. See, guys, there's another thing about me anyway. I don't just do things to please people, saying that okay, to just convince you, do this, follow me, this. Nah, I'm not doing that. You know, I don't do that. I live my life. You live your life. So anything that you think is good for you, it is good for you, and anything that I think is good for me is good for me. So that's how it is. You do what you think is the best for you, and I do what I think is the best for me. So if you like the video, you give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. That's what I mean. And if you don't like it, give it a thumbs down, you know, it still help. Give it a thumbs down, like thumbs down, you know, dislike it. That's what I mean. So it's all up to you. I don't care whether you like, dislike, whatsoever. I do my thing, you do your thing. So that's how it is, man. I don't care. That's me. That's me. So whether you like me whatsoever, I don't care, bro. That's me, man. You Israel the trader speaking. I don't care. I don't give the shit, you know. No need of me try to continue to tell you all these kind of things, man. So yeah, somebody is saying EUR has been confusing me the past week. I see bullish momentum, but it's struggling. Please show us what you see. All right, let me finish analyzing the rest of this pair first before I check out all of these things. If we still have time, remember I only have about 1 hour to do this live stream. Now we are about 41 minutes, so 90 minutes left. Let's see if I will be able to cover everything up before the time is up, right? I have to do some stuffs as well. I have to focus on some things, so that's it. And if possible, I might do the analysis and everything like that and upload the video later on if I still have time to do so today, right? So let's continue, guys, with our own business. You know what I mean? And also, if you are new here, you know, just subscribe to the channel. That's it. And of course, if you don't like the channel, don't subscribe, man. Don't subscribe if you don't like it. So it makes no sense you subscribing to what you don't like, right? It doesn't make sense you subscribing to what you don't like. You know what I mean? So if you like it, subscribe. If you don't like it, don't subscribe. Period. So somebody said, okay, is replying to Universal Content TV. There shouldn't be any price yet. You are here either because you like this content, watch to learn and support Israel since you can learn a lot from him. All right, bro. You know, I got it cloud for you. You know, oh my goodness. A round of applause for you, man. So that just it. It's simple. There's nothing much big of a deal here, man. Thanks, no problem, bro. All right. So yeah, let's go back to our business. Let me go down and start checking XAU USD, which is um gold, right? It's gonna be a CFD gold, and you got only Orlando. So this is gold, man, and let's go down to the for our time frame. Oh wow, this is for our time frame. You see my trend line try to move to the upside, broke out. Now what the market is doing is trying to be in a range for now before it will start to move back in to the upside, right? But I'm seeing that the market is trying to create all of this move to the upside at the moment. But let me try to do something first before I confirm this move. So this is the 4-hour time frame. I'll just specifically on this zone alone. I'm going to zoom in, zoom out, and things like that. I'll just focus on this 4-hour time frame for now, so that I can understand exactly what's happening on this 4-hour time frame, right? So now that this is it, man. Sorry, gotta pick up this call, man. Wow. All right, just give me some minutes, guys. Let me speak with somebody. Yeah, I'm cool. Hello. How is it? Well done. I just huh? Who is that? Okay, the person that I called before. Okay, nah, the person didn't call me. Yeah, I'm not going there anymore. Huh? Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why the person is not responding. Where are you at the moment? Doing what? Nothing. Oh, okay. All right, all right. I'm in the office, just trying to do some stuff. Um, my office. Okay, don't worry. Try to let you know. No, 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 no. Don't worry. I'll try and let you know. No. Yes. No. Anyway, all right. Just give me some few minutes. I'll call you. No, no, no. No, just give me some few minutes. I'll call you back. Huh? All right. Okay, all right. Sorry for the interruption, guys. All right. Sorry for that, guys. That was interruption anyway. So now, this is what is it called? Okay, this is gold, man. Kind of forget that I was doing analysis for gold. All right. So yeah, you guys are seeing what is happening on this gold. And you see that I just roughly put my support and resistance, right? Despite the fact that I was kind of trying to make call, but once you know it, man. There's no, it's not stressful. It's not stressful. There's no stress at all. There's no stress. So now what I'm saying is, um, gold is trying to be in a range, right? It's trying to be in a range, and you see this wick right here. that's that's some sort of big fake cow to the downside, and this is what I call as a hanging man, right? So I didn't mean I saw this earlier on, I would have traded this as a buy signal. There is a way that I do teach my students, and also there are some people that do order for this one-on-one course. So I do teach them exactly all of these things, right? Because now I was using about 18 type of candlestick pattern, but now I'm using 20. So that's why I say I'm always learning, and I always come up with names and things like that for this all of these candlesticks. So just now I found out there's another candlestick pattern that we can trade again in this forex market, right? I just found out there's one of it again because I was using about 18, so now it is 20. So that's how it is, man. That's how it is. Now it is 20, and right now this is gold analysis. So if I put my trend line from here to this point, you will see that the market is trying to push, make another move to the upside, right? But this is a ranging market right now. This is a ranging market. Don't trust that trend line. This is just a ranging market and with some sort of fake out. But now here, you see changes happened, right? The market is supposed to come down this previous support level in order for it to push back up to the upside again. But right now, what the market did is the market didn't do that and came down for high-low move. And high-low move, it is a retracement for an uptrending market, right? It is a retracement for an uptrending market. Just take note of that. And now, this is what we call a tweezer's bottom. That's a tweezer's bottom, and there is a possibility of the market doing something like this, boom, retest again before it will finally come up to this level. That's what I'm saying on this XA USD. You see what exactly is happening, but now wait for this ranging zone to break out. Once the market is able to break out of this range, maybe possibly close above this previous high, you know that the market will make a lower low. Let me just show you something interesting, guys, because I don't know if you guys know about this or not, right? So sorry, let me try to check something. All right. Um, Do you guys understand what I'm saying at all? Are you guys getting it? It's as if my network have poor connection. Nah, there's no poor connection. Then what exactly is happening? I'm seeing some sort of signals, guy. Yeah, so that's it. So now you see that this low that you are seeing right here is lower than this previous low, right? This is what we refer as a lower low. So which basically means that the market is supposed to continue to move to the downside to come on the finalize the move right here according to Elliott wave theory, right? Elliott wave theory. I don't know if you guys know how to trade this Elliott wave, and this is Elliott wave theory supposed to come down to this level. Okay, this is AB to E. Supposed to look out for ABC. Come down here, retest. What am I doing, man? Boom, here, boom. I'm supposed to come down here. That's the Elliott wave theory. But the market was not able to break out of this and continue to push to the downside. Rather than the market created what I refer as a hanging man, right? You know, if I just start maybe teaching you about the price action and things like that, they might get interesting, man. I can talk about price action and all of these naked chart stuffs, Elliott wave theory and things like that. But I'm not exposing everything right here on YouTube. That's reality. You know, there's one thing about me. I don't hide anything to you guys. You know, I say it the way it is, right? So now you see what exactly happened. The market was not able to complete the move to the downside, but this is what I refer as a lower low move, which basically means that the market is supposed to continue to sell, right? But the market now is making changes, trying to push up, created this high. So you see that this high is higher than this previous high, right? So this is what you can refer as lower high or higher high, because it is this high is higher than the previous high, right? And of course this was some sort of fake out anyway. So now the market supposed to come down to create another lower low move in order for it to continue to move to the downside, right? Just take note of that. But now the market is not able to go back down and close below this low in order for it to create a lower low move and continue to move to the downside, right? But rather than the market made a move of a high low, and basically high low move, it is a retracement for an uptrending market, right? Or it is a corrective move for an uptrending market, because there are something that we call impulsive move and corrective move, and also there's something that we call a high move and a high low move. All mean something. There's no difference about, you know, with them. It is only the English or grammar, whatsoever you call it, you know. That's how it is. So now the market is supposed to make what we refer as a lower low move, right? Or as an impulsive move. So now the market made a high low move, and apart from the high low move, the market gave me some sort of a price action signal right here. This is what I refer as a tweezer's bottom. This is tweezer's bottom, and tweezer's bottom basically it is a buy signal for us. It is a buy signal, right? So what I'm waiting for now on this particular pair being XAUUSD, just wait for it to go up again and close above this previous high. That will give us another higher high move, and you just wait for it to come down and retest this zone again in order for it to continue to move to the upside, and that will complete another Elliott wave theory, right? That will complete another Elliott wave theory, which is 1 to 5. So you see, let me show you something. Let me just use ABC. You see from here, that's the first move, second move, third move, fourth move to come down and retest this zone, boom, fifth move. You see that? This is Elliott wave theory. It is very simple, guys. You know, you don't have to have bachelor degree or whatever in this thing. So it is what it is, man. So that's it. That's what I'm seeing on this XAUUSD, guys. So if there's any other question that you want me to answer you, just ask it, tag me at Israel the Trader, I will, I will answer your question before we go down to another pair that we have right here in the market, right? So we got about 5 minutes left now, and we still have a lot of pairs to analyze today. And also, if today is a first time, guys, you know, follow the channel, which basically means that it is subscribed to the channel, right? Like the video and share it with your friends and family. That's how it is. So now, the next pair that we have is UA30, but I don't think we'll do this UA30 now, based on is from same person. The person that gave us XAUUSD is still same person that is giving us UA30, right? Let me check for another different person. Okay, we got Desmond is saying we should check GBP JPY and Euro NZD. Of course, I check GBP JPY. Let me just check Euro NZD for you. The reason why I would do that is because GBP JPY, it is the analysis that I'm supposed to do in this video, right? Because I'm supposed to do GBP USD, Euro USD, and GBP JPY, and of course I've done them. Now let's check out Euro NZD. So now let's go down to Euro NZD, and of course before I go down to Euro NZD, if there's any question regarding this XAUUSD analysis, guys, just try and let me know before we proceed with other things, right? All right. Let me check out the Euro NZD. Euro NZD. All right. You see, I still got my analysis and things like that on Euro NZD. But I'll clear all of this. Go down to daily time frame. So this is daily time frame now on Euro NZD, right? So who is seeing what I'm seeing on Euro NZD now? There's something that we call what is it called? Supply and demand. So who can tell me exactly what's going on Euro NZD at the moment before we proceed, or before I proceed with today's analysis? Yeah, is there anything before I proceed, guys? Remember, I said we don't have much time again. We got about 3 minutes left now, so let me continue with the analysis. Straightforward, I'll just go down to 4-hour time frame, and now I'm seeing the market supposed to continue to sell, right? Let me just focus on this on this zone. Do you see this move that happened right here? Do you see this? Do you see that? Broke out retail, so now the market will come on to this level before it will start to sell again. So I'll not completely put the support and resistance. I'll just put some key levels so that you can understand what exactly is happening on this. And so got yeah, there's this one here. Yup. So now if Euro NZD, let me do something. Yup. So if Euro NZD is able to break out of this zone, this will be the next target before it starts to fall to the downside, because I'm seeing that Euro NZD is a long-term sell, but from here we must see some push to the downside again in order for it to continue to sell to where our take profit is going to be, right? So now, boom, to come down to that level. But like I've said earlier on, just keep your eye on this level. If this particular structure get broken, this will be where you have to sell it. And of course, I'm not willing to buy this pair. So that's how it is, man. I'm expecting Euro NZD to sell as well. So I don't have time to cover everything up, man. So that's it, guys. Now that's the end of our today's live analysis. So If today is your first time here, make sure you follow us on our Instagram, Telegram, Twitter, and also make sure you subscribe to our Telegram channel. Subscribe also to this channel, you know, because that's how it is. So thank you very much, guys. See you next time in our video. Peace out to you. Happy Sunday. Make sure you go to church, man. Make sure you go to church. All right, guys. Thank you very much, man. See you next time in our video. All right, peace out to you. I wish each and every one of you a very good and profitable week. See you next time. Peace out, man. EURUSD the trader signing out right now. All right.